Hi, I'm Dr. Brett J. Earle, founder of Denali Specialty Clinic and Foundational Medicine, here to introduce you to RENU02, our non-surgical solution for healing nerves, joints, ligaments, tendons, and muscles. The result is pain relief, tissue recovery, and regeneration. What is RENU02? RENU02 is a targeted series of injections. They contain nutrients, minerals, and empowered oxygen designed to activate your body's ability to heal and recover. It restores your body's ability to activate and heal areas such as your nerves, joints, ligaments, and cartilage. Why is this important? Damaged tissues are often so encumbered by inflammation, they don't receive the blood supply necessary to bring oxygen and nutrients needed to heal. RENU02 injections give the damaged tissue a boost of empowered oxygen and nutrients to repair the injury all the way down to the cell and even activate the DNA. That is root source healing. Why RENU02? The best part about RENU02 is that it works. It produces extraordinary results, even better than stem cell. It has no side effects. It's fast-acting. It activates DNA, maximum pain relief in the minimum amount of time. It replaces harmful drugs and surgery. It generates lasting results, reduces inflammation. It prevents further injury and accelerates healing. So if you're experiencing pain, osteoarthritis, partial ACL tears, meniscus tears, tendinitis, bursitis, disc herniations, bulging discs, spinal arthritis, or even recovering from surgery, RENU02 is the treatment for you. My journey to try to repair myself started with all of these chronic injuries and pains that I had developed over the years through sports, football, getting on the ground and playing with my children, etc. The most severe at the time was plantar fasciitis, and I talked with the specialist, the podiatrist, a good doctor, and he recommended cortisone shots. So I went. I got them. And cortisone did relieve the inflammation short term. Unfortunately, its long-term consequence is that it destroys the tissue. That means chronic, debilitating pain and or surgery, neither of which are optimal. So I kept looking. I found research and data out of Europe that had come to the United States, been modified. I broke that down. Each individual component I researched. Where does it work? Why does it work? How does it work? What does it do in the body? What are the long-term side effects? And that is how we came up with RENU02. And I will tell you this, RENU02 started me on this entire process. I did discover further deeper root sources of disease, but it changed my life. It made it so I could function. I could be a dad. I could be a doctor. I could take care of my patients. It was and is to this day the start of rebuilding me. I invite you to experience the same changes in your life. Let's live again.